Clarence your builder. I'm got a feeling that this is gonna be it possibly may be a 3-part video. For sure it's gonna be 2 at a minimum. But I'm thinking we're probably gonna kick it off with an initial, and then we're gonna go ahead and have an in-between, and we'll close it out with an ending. Wrap it all up, and we'll have a final outlook of the project. And how we got started, insulation coming on site, and then getting that insulation installed into these cavities is quite a bit. So the main thing is really just getting the perimeter walls done. That's the outside walls. So I decided to go with an R19 on the outside walls. We're trying to get all that buttoned up. And then we're going to go work our way up to the ceiling. And in this area here, you got to be super careful because those are cathedral ceilings. You got to be careful in that area because it goes up to a peak. So anyway, I decided to go with like a R30, and I may go later on down the road, we may blow in some more loose fill up there. But as of right now, we got enough envelope to keep us comfortable and to keep the energy bills low. I'm thinking with the interior walls, I was gonna roll with some R15. It's a sound deadening pad. So that works pretty good. And also it insulates too, but when it's already conditioned space, so it's really not necessary. Possibly my goal within another week or so, I should be all tightened up on this, get it all squared away. But this is where we are as of right now. And then I still got to hit these flats. I got to hit this flat. I got a little bit of details to do in this area right here. I got some detail to do right here. Again, that's the interior wall, so that's not really important as far as what the inspector is concerned. Got that all buttoned up real nice. Some more detail in here. Little detail here. These foams right here, they're pre-cut. Those insulations, that's gonna go on that edge out there. That cavity is done. That's ready to roll. This is ready to roll. Got a little detail to do right here on that 2x6 there. We got to run that 2x6 completely up. We got to insulate all this ceiling here. So I'll probably throw some bats up. I haven't did it right here. I want to put a beam right there for a drywall edge. I'm thinking this cavity right here, I'm going to frame this out and then I have an access point. I'm going to go ahead and run some electrical up there. And I'm thinking I'm probably going to put a fire alert up there as well. And we got that all squared out. We got that shelf in there. We got to do some electrical work. Make it jazzy. This ceiling is done. We got to put some fire foam in that area where that electrical line is running out. Made a discovery here as I'm in here doing this insulation. I was pulling off this insulation here I got on these attic baffles, and I discovered, yeah, those are wasp hornets, something along those lines. I had a pile of them right here that was kind of cold out here, so they went kind of dormant, you know. Let me try to get the focus in here. I really don't like these things, man. But they can. I don't know if it's active or not. But that right there, I hope that's not active. You see a lot of yellow jacks right there. I'm gonna try to remove this, and I pray I don't kick up Pandora's box. I'll leave it like that. This is nerve-wracking. don't seem to be active. Make sure to get it. Give you an idea of the scale of this thing here. Happy it wasn't active. Regular construction helmet here. It's like the outer core. And this is like the inner core here. It was like that. So it fell apart. Construction helmet here. It's about the size of a construction helmet. And of course that wrapped around. Got a little tinge to it. Don't smell too good.